How's it going, everybody? Nick here with Gallatin River Guides. Today we're going to be tying the Pink Squirrel, originally developed in the driftless region, since it's kind of found its way out west. Great tailwater attractor nymph, also kind of just great all-around attractor nymph. Works really well in the winter and spring. To start out, you're going to want a size 12 curved shank nymph hook, as well as a 1/8 brass bead. Start this bug, you're gonna get your thread started, and then you're gonna tie in some small silver wire. Go ahead and seat that wire right up into your bead and advance your thread down the curve of your hook. Once you get to the back, we're going to take our thread back up to behind our bead. You do want to build up a bit of an underbody for this. Helps with your taper. Once your thread's back up at the front, we're just going to go ahead and take 2 strands of Pearl Krystal flash. Go ahead and double those over your thread. Seat those right up behind your bead. Advance your thread to the back once again. You can go ahead and leave that crystal flash long until we're done with this bug. And we're going to go ahead and dub our body. The original fly used a squirrel dubbing, natural squirrel dubbing. You can use natural squirrel. I'm going to be using hare's ears dubbing. Anything that's got nice picky guard hairs is what you want. We want to dub this body pretty thick. Go ahead and make a nice, fairly dense dubbing noodle. And we just want to dub that body right up to behind our bead. Build a taper as you're going. Add a little bit more right up front. At this point, we're going to go ahead and rib this fly. So go ahead and grab a hold of your wire. Just make nice open spiral wraps up your body. Once you get to the front, go ahead and catch that wire. 2 wraps over top, 2 wraps in front. Give it a helicopter and pop it off. The collar on this fly is going to be UV fluorescent pink ice dub. Go ahead and grab a fairly healthy amount. Dub it onto your thread. And wrap a nice hot spot collar between the rest of your body and your bead. You want that collar to be pretty pronounced. Once everything's looking good, go ahead and throw 3 to 5 turns in front of your collar. Finish it off with a 3 to 5 turn whip finish. Trim off your thread. And then I trim my tail fairly short. If you look at Krystal flash, it's got spirals. I tend to go to the second spiral back. Trim it right there. And that is your finished pink squirrel.